Hi, I'm Rupali from Fascinating Art. So yesterday I posted a video on decoupage on a glass jar. If you haven't checked it, go check out. I'll post the link below. And today I'm going to teach you how to do decoupage on a wooden tray. So we'll be needing a wooden tray if you have. So you can paint on this or you can order. Plus on this I'm going to repaint with black color because this is my pending project and color is quite dull. So I'm going to paint it using my black acrylic color. With that I'm going to use my Asian paint silver color for the handles. Plus I'm going to use a scale and a white pencil to outline and a sheet. Now these are the sheets which I've already cut it out from a magazine, so you need not to buy particular printed sheets. You can use from any magazine or any design which you like, so you can use them. With that, some brushes, pair of scissors, glue. I'll be teaching you with the glue only, not with the Mod Podge or decoupage glue. Plus mirrors, exceptional. If you wish to, you can use. If you don't want to, you can totally avoid this. Plus for the varnish, I am going to use clear synthetic paint varnish. You can use decoupage varnish as well. You can use decoupage glue for pasting if you have, but I am here to teach you with the minimum stuff available at your place. So let's get started. So we'll start first by painting our tray with a black acrylic color. Just give it a nice paint all over the tray. And my tray is almost done. As you can see, this is acrylic color, so they don't need much of time to dry up. Just few minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes. So my tray is completely dry now. Now by using a scale and white pencil, I am going to mark the margins so that I can stick my sheets in a proper margin. So for first, just keep your sheet and have an idea first before marking anything, like from this side, and keep your scale here. I'm not going to leave any space on the above side. I'm just going to leave the sides and this one here. Perfect. And now I'm going to mark my margins. So as you can see, I have marked my lines. Also I have placed my sheets. Now we are going to stick them. And we are going to stick them using our Fevicol. So, yep. We just need to add little bit of water in our Fevicol. So using my glue, I am just going to stick my design and try to avoid the lines, because if you put your glue over the lines, so it would be difficult for you to erase them. So just glue it in a box nicely. You can use your decoupage glue as I have already mentioned. Just stick your design like this. Now same procedure for the second one, avoiding the lines. Stick your second design. and so on. And here is my last design. Here we go. As you can see, my tray already started looking very beautiful. Now you just have to erase the lines, that's it, and just paint it again with the thin brush. So I have cleared my lines. Now for the blank space, using my golden color, I am going to outline the complete pattern, right, like this, with the thin brush and flat brush. As you can see, it will enhance the look. As you can see, I have made the borders broad from the center and thin from the sides. If you wish, you can fill up the complete borders, or you can leave the borders as you wish. And this is my final look. So you can leave it here also, but I want to add the glass over the sides, so I am adding my mirrors using my Fevibond. You can use any bond, but avoid using glue gun. So just in the center, and my mirrors are done. Now we have to do our handles. As I told you, we'll be using our paint, silver paint. So I am using my silver paint with a flat brush. You can use golden if you want to on your handles, but silver will look good. But make sure not to use your acrylic colors on handle. So just apply the coat. And my handles are done. As you can see, they are now shining. Now for the final look, so that my paper won't get wet, I am going to apply varnish, regular wooden varnish, this clear synthetic varnish I am using. Just apply it directly over your project. Make sure to add thick layer. I have applied thick layer of varnish. It will make it waterproof and you can use it easily. As you can see, the colors and effect are glowing. It will also give it glossy look. If you have resin, you can add resin also, but this is the best method if you don't have. So as you can see, my tray is ready. I have added mirrors, painted the handles and covered it with the varnish. furniture varnish. If you have resin, you can use resin, else my tray is completely ready. So as you can see my beautiful mosaic tray here, and I hope you like our today's session. If you like that, do subscribe the channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and yes, give us a thumbs up. Bye bye.